Everyone, Double P here and welcome back. So in today's trading session, once again, I attacked the SPY. So you can see here, I got 30 contracts on the go, and you see that right there. And you see what's happening here. We're going down and low. So first things first, real account right there, real-time data. Stock is in real time. Amex, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, all real-time feeds. Equity options, real-time. Futures and futures options, all real-time here. Forex, real-time. Other, real-time. So real-time account. So when I sent out the trade to you guys, I don't fault you if you got stopped out, but you have to understand something. When you're dealing in a very difficult marketplace, you have to look at the overall picture of what's going on in the overall marketplace. I've explained this many times. So what you need to look for is when we come over here, look at what's going on in the marketplace. Energy ETF, usually when it's rocking, that's a high sign of inflation. The transportations are going down. The VIX is kind of depressed. So what that means is it's a volatility, right? The bonds are down. The financials are just taking a beating. So you have to look at the overall marketplace. You look at the NAS right here. It's hitting lows, right? And this is order flow. So you have to look at the overall marketplace and understand what is going on. I mean, I can draw the channels for you, right? You can see it yourself. You can clearly see it yourself. If I look at the channel, charts are slowing down again. So let me move my price action down, my price level. So look at the channel there. Let me come over here and draw the channel for you so that you see it. And I can even go back to this. And you know what? I'll go back. No, I'll go back to this one right here. Let me see if I can squeeze this up here so that you can actually see it a little bit better. So I'm going to get out of this position quite shortly. It just breached that. All right. So that was a wild reversal. You can see it right there, that big reversal. So let me see how this candle closes. And it's not so much this candle, but it's the next candle after this. So we look at the 3 candles after that. It's always a 3 candle push that I'm looking for, because this is your reversal. Let me open that up there. It's a little bit tiny. So this is bullish. That's bullish. So 2 bullish. This is going to end up going to be probably a gravestone. We'll see where that ends up. Yeah, I'm out. I'm done. Okay, so now I don't have to panic. Well, not really panic, but now I can kind of focus on bringing you the channel. Charts are so slow, brutal. And we'll keep that channel tight so that you can see it. So when I draw this channel, right, we always draw it from the top of the shoulder, bottom of the boot. Right, so top of the shoulder, bottom of the boot. This is support. That's resistance. So the top channel is always resistance until it becomes support. The bottom channel is always support until it becomes resistance, right? That's how you draw the channel. And you can clearly see what the algorithms are doing, or what the algorithms did do, right? right there. And they just waterfalled it or escalated to the downside, or ski slope, as I like to call it, to the downside. There's the reversal right off of the low. You guys know what happens whenever there's a reversal off the low like that. Let me move this over here so that you can see it. Whenever there's a reversal right there off of the low with that bullish inverted hammer. Let me open this up here. Sorry, my charts are extremely slow. So I've just found out, I talked to a rep, and the newer Macs, which is what I have, the latest Mac, they don't natively work very well with this trading platform. It actually kind of sucks. The M1 chips, they're garbage. I mean, for trading, they're garbage. So, didn't realize that. So I'm going to have to get a different computer, obviously, for trading, because it's just not going to work on a Mac. So let's get back to the trading session. So you see the nice big closed candle right there. This is a three red soldiers, almost a full complete three red soldiers right there. Here's the candle right here, reversal. This is a bullish inverted hammer. Whenever you see a bullish inverted hammer, that is your reversal off of the low. And you see right there, this is another inverted hammer, bullish, right? And then you got your two white soldiers here, and then you got a spinning top right here. This is a spinning top, and then now you're going to get another red candle right there, right? So there's the channel. I mean, we can go to, let's go to a 5-minute setup. So there's your 5-minute setup right there on the SPY. So you can clearly see, let me remove this drawing right here. Beautiful 5-minute setup. You just have to learn to stay. You just have to learn to stay in the trades. 944. So literally, this candle right here, off of this big Maribozo, that's the move. So off of a big Maribozo like that, what you want to do is, you've seen how I chop off my price, my support, my resistance, my price action. Look at this candle right here. This range in this 5-minute candle was $1.25, right? That's the range of this whole entire candle right here in the 5-minute. Look at the candle itself. So what I want to do is, when I send the trade out to you guys, 945, right? I'm looking at this candle right here. I'm looking at that setup from the open, drops right down. So 945. I look at this candle and I chop this candle in half, right? So does it breach? Touches it, comes through a little bit, comes right back down, doesn't break, breaches a little bit, price action, comes back down, and then you see this right here, right? That's price action, right? 389.72, you can see it right there. 389.72. And then let me draw the channel for you on a 5-minute setup. I'll draw it on the 1 minute. I'll draw it on the 1 minute as well for you. So what do I want to do right here? Let's draw the candle. Draw the channel. There's your channel on a 5-minute setup. Algorithms are trading inside of this channel and they're following it down. Algorithms are selling into weakness. That's what algorithms do. They either buy into strength or they sell into weakness, right? And they trade in channels and they trade in slopes, right? So you clearly see what the algorithms are doing. Making a march now. Look at the low right here. This is a dragonfly doji, right? So this is a pause or neutral. And then this next candle that precedes it, this will tell you what's going to be happening, whether it's going to go bullish or whether it's going to go bearish, right? You can see the move right down there, right? You can see what's going on in the 5-minute setup, right? So let me come over here. So you see the reversal right here, and then that's resistance. And then look at the setup here. This is a Thor hammer, right? This is a strong hammer, but it's bearish because you can see where it dipped. And this is an inverted bearish hammer for a move to the downside, right? And then you get that movement right there, right? So bearish, 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 bearish. Here's your rip. Or not a rip, but you can see what's happening, right? So on the SPY, we'll see there, right? So that's it from Double P. Oh, so let me come over here. Finished off the day, $890 profit right there. So you see here, I took 2 put positions. So I'm a man of transparency. You know, win, lose, draw, you see it all, right? So 388 put, that's what I sent out to you. So you see that right there, 388 put. It was 390, 387 put, 480. That's the day. I'm okay with it. As you can see, I'm trading ultra small now because obviously I'm not in the best of health, and so it's really hard for me to even be trading. So I have to wait for setups, and not only do I have to wait for setups, I have to be patient with my setups, and I have to look at the overall market structure, what's going on with the market. We are in a counter bull rally in a sustained bear market. We are going into a double recession. We've been in a recession for the last year, right? We know it as traders, but everybody on CNBC and Fast Money and everything else, and the politicians saying, "Oh no, we're great." No, man, we're in a bear market, man. And this is just like, we got some pain coming, some heavy pain coming, right? So you guys have to understand what's going on. So you see right here in a 5-minute just broke out. Let me break this down to a 1 minute candle for you. So on a 1 minute candle, where are we here at 944? That's when the text alert went out. So there's the move right there. And then you have consolidation, low end consolidation right there. And you have a little bit of a rip up here, but the price action, that's what I'm looking at, right? Touched, broke through, touched, broke through, closed, touched, resistance, and then you get that move down there, right? So very good trade. This is not going to be an easy market. There's not going to be an easy market to trade, right? So let me break out the volatility box for you, so you see what I'm looking at, right? So when I send out the trade, there's your volatility box, right? In that window right there. That's all I need. And you see right there the channel. You see the channel right there, right? You see the volatility.
Okay. I found this on the web for you. See the channel right there, right? Check it out.
Yeah, okay, thanks, Siri. See how screwed up my brand new Mac is? That's funny. So there's the volatility box. Let me open it up there more for you so that you can see it, and we'll spread it out. You can see the channel. You can see the volatility box. All right. Volatility box is volatility. Volatility box is volume. Volatility box is support and resistance. Volatility box is price action, right? All pumped into your volatility box, right? And then if you want to see what I'm looking at, let me just put the data box on floating so that you can see it. So there's the volatility box, rectangle, 389 to 388. 944 to 1017. You can see it right there clearly. The white stuff right there shows you that's all volatility. That's what you want, right? So that's it from Double P. Hope you enjoyed this trading session. Am I going to do another trade today? No. I'm kind of done. I gotta go heal and very fatigued, all that kind of stuff. So it is what it is with the health there at the moment. The medical guys will do what, and the women will do what they got to do. All right, so that's it from Double P. Take care. I'll see you in the next trading session.